Snow. Everybody, hello! I want to declutter my wardrobe today, and it is not going to be a usual decluttering, well, in my opinion. It is special for me because I'm doing this through the course of the project 333 that I'm doing right now. If you don't know what it is, it means that I need to wear 33 pieces of clothes during 3 months. I exceeded this number of clothes many times during these 2 months, but still I don't think that this project is completely useless. I think it has some use because I realized many things for myself and for my wardrobe during this time. I realized what I will wear anyway, even if it's not in this 33 number, or what I will not wear and not miss at all. Anyway, let's start and see what I'm gonna declutter today. There's a lot, I think, especially things that I didn't choose for this project, like this t-shirt. Actually, I chose it for the project, but then trying it on, I realized that I just don't like how I look in it. This green thing has to go, I think, and also it has a small stain. This stain isn't visible, but do you agree that even if the stain isn't visible, you feel that this stain is on your clothes and you already don't feel put together as much as you would like to be, just because you know there's a stain, even if it's not visible at all. So I'm gonna declutter this one. While we're continuing with the clothes, I would like to recommend you the channel Anya's Art World. I really like this channel for her reflections. I will listen to them as a podcast. Her ideas are sometimes new for minimalism, and also I like her ideas about prioritizing what's important in life and saying no to the things that don't bring us value. I recommend you to start with a video of her apartment if you're interested in that channel, and this will give you an idea of what kind of person she is. She's also making a video about the minimalist wardrobe. If you're enjoying this type of content, you can continue with that video too. It will be in the link in the description. So thank you, Anya, for collaborating with me, and thank you everybody for visiting this channel and checking it out for yourself. This t-shirt, it looks good on me, it's alright. I'm thinking of decluttering it because it's too bright color. The color is too saturated for me. How I realized that? Well, there's one more t-shirt that I was wearing, and as a creator, yeah, I usually film videos, then I watch these videos, well, obviously. When I'm watching these videos, I sometimes see those bright colors on me and I just feel odd. I don't feel calm, I don't feel minimal, I don't feel like myself. If it's on me, I don't see it that much, I don't look to the mirrors that much. But when I watch myself in the video, I feel like bright colors don't fit me, don't fit my personality. But I will not declutter it. Maybe I will change the league of it. I've got the outside league, like when go out, whatever, and I've got the home league. That means that these things are worn at home mostly. This means they are more comfortable, they are natural fabrics mostly, and they're not too valuable. And this will probably go to my home league. Okay, this one, I love it. Why declutter it? Oh, you don't see it, right? Oh, sorry. I was talking about that one. That one. This one, I really love it. It's minimal. It goes perfectly with everything. This is a very lovely t-shirt. I really enjoy wearing it. And purely gray t-shirt that's a little bit bigger on you, not tight-fitted. Looks really good in my opinion. It looks put together, a little bit more chic, I guess. But it has a stain, and I will try to erase the stain, but I'm not sure what will happen. This is a t-shirt, so I will wear it at home only, and it will come to the home league anyway. Okay. It's hard to film videos like that. This one is a blouse. I was showing it many times in different videos, and I haven't been wearing it for years, and I still feel that I should keep it, because what if one day I go back to office? But you know what? I don't keep things because what if anymore. I learned that even if what if happens, I can easily go ahead and buy another thing, and most of the times this what if doesn't happen. So I definitely declutter this green thing. My cat got scared. And I am also decluttering the blouse. Yeah, okay. Oh, another hanger. I kind of like this sweater. It's very warm and I like wearing it at home. In this project 333, I didn't wear it. I decided to put it away. I don't really know what to think about it. I kind of like it. I like that it's just cringe, And when I wear it, I feel very dressed up. Not in a good way, but in a cringy way. And now I'm thinking, am I still a person like that anymore? I will probably keep it, but I will think about it a little longer. And maybe you can give me some advice. What do you think about this sweater? I know it's weird a little bit, but like, what do you think? Should I keep it or not? That blouse. Actually, I bought it just before the new year, and I thought I would wear it to the corporate party. And I heard it in some minimalist videos that you shouldn't buy something for one occasion because you will regret it. And I didn't listen, and I bought this blouse only for the corporate party, and I didn't even wear it on the corporate party. I found a better outfit, and I just did not wear it at all, and I don't think I will. I don't know, would you feel comfortable wearing something silk at home? I will also think about how to not rip it, how to not put a stain on it, how to move in it, because it's a blouse. Blouses are usually uncomfortable to move in. For me, at least, it didn't cost much, so I don't regret, although it's 100% silk. That was a deal in the thrift store. It was a good advice from some of the minimalist videos that it's not a good idea to buy something for one occasion, and I definitely did regret it. That's probably my third decluttering video, and in each video I show you this jacket, this coat that I decluttered a million times, a million years ago, but nobody buys it and I don't know where to give it. But recently I found a box in one of the nearest districts, not here close to this place. I found a box that accepts different nice clothes, and I think I will keep it there because it's woolen, really nice coat. Like 100% wool. It's really warm, it's really nice, but it's a little bit too short for my style, so that's gonna go to the rest of the clothes, to that box. Oh, that one, not my style. Jackets or blazers are just not too comfortable for me. I don't know, even though they look amazing, I still cannot make myself wear it because I feel like I'm in the office. I know that's a cliche and I'm not supposed to think like that, that's definitely biased. But when I wear a blazer or a blouse, I'm too tight. I don't feel like I'm free in my movements, you know? And this jacket, it's not really fur, but I still feel like it when I'm wearing it. I don't know if I should keep it or not. I don't know. But I haven't worn it for, I guess, a half a year. This says something. I don't know. I will keep it in the decluttering bag, and if I miss it, maybe I'll keep it, but I definitely feel like I didn't miss it all this thin while doing this project 333, so it should go at least for a while. I kind of like white, any clothes white, but this one is just too stretched out and it has a hole under the armpit, but it was so convenient to wear it at home. I don't know, it's really sad to give it away, but I understand that it's not good for me anymore. I don't feel put together in it, you know. This also goes to the decluttering pile. I got something in my eye since today's morning. Like, that's so annoying. You know, in childhood I had a theory that I made up that behind your eyes you actually have a sac for storing all the debris that got into your eye, and I thought in childhood that if the sac fills up completely you die. So I thought this was really dangerous when something gets into your eye. I was really worried about that sac filling up and me dying because of it. I don't know. Oh, now I have a little bit more hangers free. Fine. Oh, I really love it. Maybe I should put it in the home link because it's a very comfortable and really nice to skin cotton shirt, but it was like the outside leg, so maybe I should like put it down to the home leg. Why down? Let's not make it down. Let's make these legs just two legs beside each other. Yeah, nothing is up, nothing is down. It's just there's some clothes for outside, there's some clothes for inside. Alright, I'm not gonna declutter this, I'm not gonna declutter this, and I really love this. The upper shelf. If you know the secret how to keep your things organized and in order in upper shelves, let me know, because I usually, you know, put it in piles, but then I make a complete mess out of it, so I need some hacks. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I'm seeing that I will not declutter anything here, so yeah, during this project 333 I thought that I was missing these pants. These are home pants. They are it's polyester, but you know it has this velvety feeling and I really kind of missed them. for wearing at home because they are warm, they're nice to the body. I will definitely not declutter it and value this thing even more after I realized how much I kind of need it. Okay, we're done here. Yeah, that pile is the one that I just decluttered. That one is actually clean laundry that I have to sort out. So it looks only here. And we are moving to that drawer and that drawer because I want to declutter them. I also store my clothes inside them.
But this will be in the second part of my decluttering. As always, now you can subscribe to my free newsletter about mindfulness, minimalism, and self-development. You can find some extra content at my Patreon page. If you don't want to miss the second part of my wardrobe decluttering, please subscribe and hit the bell. And thank you very much for spending this time with me. Don't forget to check out Anya's Art World. I'm sure you'll find something useful for you in that channel. Have a good day. Goodbye.